Hey everyone, this feels strange. The studio's so quiet today. John and Maria decided to take a short creative break. They said, even unstoppable voices need to rest to stay unstoppable. So, here I am, keeping the microphones warm for them. It's funny, you can almost feel their energy here, like the room remembers every word they ever said.
Oh, hi, I didn't know someone else was here.
Hey there, you must be Lily, right? Maria's creative friend, the one who makes ideas sound like poetry.
And you must be Ethan, John's thoughtful friend who apparently thinks too much before saying hello.
Guilty as charged. Looks like destiny just scheduled us a surprise co-hosting session.
Well, if we're both here, maybe we should make it count. How about we talk about something light, something that connects people?
Perfect. Actually, I had a topic ready. Basic English for socializing, 5 phrases to make new friends. Kind of feels symbolic, right? Since we just met too.
You're right, let's practice these phrases, and maybe by the end of the episode, we'll actually be friends. It's the simplest phrase ever, but it's also the one that starts everything. When you say, "Hi, I'm Lily, nice to meet you," you're not just introducing your name, you're introducing your energy. It's your smile, your tone, your presence that makes people feel welcome.
Exactly. And you don't need to sound perfect, just be genuine. You can reply with, "Nice to meet you too." That little "too" is powerful. It's like saying, "I feel the same connection." So don't underestimate small words. They carry big emotions.
You know, Ethan, it's funny. We both just said hi 15 minutes ago, and now we're co-hosting a show. Guess the phrase works.
Proof that English really can make friends.
This one's such a classic. People ask it all the time, but the way you ask matters more than the words. If you ask with genuine curiosity, "So where are you from?" it shows you actually want to know the person, not just their location.
Right, I'm from Boston, a place where coffee and sarcasm are part of the culture. And you?
Seattle, where it rains more than it shines, but people still smile through the drizzle. I guess that's why I love cozy talks like this.
That's interesting. You know, when we ask, "Where are you from?" we're not just asking about geography. We're asking, "What shaped you?" It's a question that invites stories.
Exactly, and every story is a chance to connect.
This one can sound boring unless you give it heart. Instead of a cold "what do you do?" try adding warmth. So what do you love to do? That one extra word, love, changes everything.
Oh, I love that twist. When someone asks me, "What do you love to do?" I instantly feel more open. So yeah, I love creating. I write, I draw, I talk to people about emotions, art, and meaning. And you?
I teach. But what I love to do is help people understand themselves better. Through language, through stories, through small moments like this.
That's beautiful. See? That's the kind of answer that builds friendship. When you let someone see your why, not just your what. You'd be surprised how powerful these 2 words are. Sometimes conversations die because people don't respond. They just nod. But if you say, "That's interesting," you're telling the person, "I hear you. Keep going."
Exactly, it keeps the energy alive, and even better, try adding something after it like, "That's interesting. Tell me more about that." It makes people feel valued.
You know what's interesting, Ethan? The way you listen. You don't interrupt, you let silence speak too.
Maybe because silence is just another way of saying I care.
I like that. Maybe we should do an episode on that too, how to listen beautifully.
Now that's interesting. Let's keep that idea for later. This one is my favorite because it's not just words, it's a bridge. When you say, "Let's keep in touch," you're saying, "I enjoyed this, and I want to keep the connection alive."
Exactly. And it's not just about texting or following someone online. It's about remembering that you met someone worth remembering.
So Lily, do you think we should keep in touch? Maybe record another episode while John and Maria recharge?
I'd love that. Let's keep their seats warm and their message alive. Because even if John and Maria aren't here today, the spirit of Speak Unstoppable still echoes in this room.
And maybe that's the real message for everyone listening. Friendship starts with words but grows through intention.
So to everyone listening, don't wait for perfect English or perfect timing. Start with a smile, a hi, a question, a laugh.
Because sometimes the simplest phrases can start the most beautiful stories, and maybe your next best friend is just one hi away.
Keep speaking unstoppable because your voice can start something beautiful.
Oh, and before you sneak away, don't forget that little thumbs up button. It's shy, but it loves attention.
Haha, yes, you all subscribe, which we totally loved, but likes and comments, they're like hiding somewhere. Come on, bring them out.
If you enjoyed this talk, drop a friendly hi in the comments, and let's see how many new friendships start right there.
We read every single one, and trust me, your words always make our day brighter.
Stay kind, stay curious, and keep speaking unstoppable.